Now to our top story this morning, the impact the latest coronavirus surge is having on school districts returning to class after the holiday break.
Several districts are now adjusting to account for this ongoing surge.
Oak Park Public Schools is just the latest to announce a change of plans, alerting parents there'll be no school today and classes will go virtual for the rest of the week. They joined Southfield, Ann Arbor, Pontiac, and Detroit as just some of the public school districts either canceling classes or switching to virtual learning this week.
7 Action News reporter Alex Bazarjian is joining us live this morning from Detroit, where the district is also hoping to get students tested before they head back. Alex?
Jen, district officials are really trying to get a handle on infection rates before they let students and employees return to the classroom. Now, they're using today through Wednesday as testing days, and during that time, students won't be attending any kind of school, including virtual, because they say not everyone has access to a laptop to complete that coursework. Now, once they finish that testing, they'll look at the results, and that will determine what Thursday will bring.
Students attending Detroit public schools won't be doing any studying for the first half of this week. Many went into the winter break thinking they'd be back in the classroom today, but the district is delaying those plans through Wednesday to test teachers and students for COVID-19.
I think it's going to take at least a week for us to get the testing done, to get results back, to get all the components that we need necessary for folks to feel comfortable and safe to return.
Superintendents across Metro Detroit are taking similar actions to avoid disastrous outbreaks that could lead to disruption and staff shortages. So far, Southfield, Oak Park, Ann Arbor, and Pontiac public schools have all decided to go virtual this week.
The decision in itself was basically surrounded around just being safe.
Gil Garrett is the Pontiac School Board president. The district was one of the first to announce their decision last week. The plan is to return to the classroom on January 18th.
Following what's going on with Oakland County Health System, kind of following their measurements, what they're doing, what they're looking at, and the numbers kept spiking.
Those infection spikes are happening across Michigan. That's why the state health department urged school officials to enforce mask mandates and offer testing. National infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci says those tools, along with vaccines, should be enough to get kids back in the classroom.
All of those things put together, it's safe enough to get those kids back to school, balanced against the deleterious effects of keeping them out.
Now, on top of all of those safety measures, here in Detroit, they're actually also implementing a vaccine mandate for all employees that takes effect on February 18th. Now, they say that same mandate is coming for students as well, but it won't happen until the next school year. Live in Detroit, I'm Alex Bazarjian, 7 Action News.